Welcome back to Excel with NS. Please like, share, and follow TechieTrain on all social media platforms. Let's get right into it. In the previous class, we talked about the pivot table. In this class, we'll be going forward into the pivot charts. So, as we did the pivot table, we'll do the pivot chart the same way. We'll answer the three questions: which region has the highest number of sales, which region has the highest unit sale, and which salesperson has the most sales, using this data set like we did the pivot table. The pivot chart is somewhat similar to the pivot table. To insert a pivot chart, you highlight your data set and then you go to your insert tab on the ribbon and click on the pivot chart. Select the table range, which is the data set we have highlighted, new worksheet. Click OK. Not an existing worksheet, a new worksheet. OK. Alright. Now here we have our pivot chart fields. We have the filter, the legend, series, and the field, the axis, and also the values. The main place we'll be using will be the axis, values, and the filters, but mainly axis and values. So now the first question that we were asked is, which region has the highest number of sales? To find the region with the highest number of sales here, come over here to our data set, to our pivot chart table. Region, put it in your axis. We have our region and our axis. Look, this table is very similar to the pivot table, but this table now is used to create or draft these charts. And now you take to your, you click, you hold, you drag, and we have created a pivot chart. What we did was we dragged this region over to axis, which created this. Which created this, the Abuja, Benin, Ibadan, Lagos, and Port Harcourt, all are part of the regions. Then in our values, we put the sum total of all values, which is all this. So the one with the highest 233 and 241. So Lagos has the highest value. Exactly how the pivot table displays it, but this one is in graphical format. Now the second question that we were asked was, which region has the highest unit sale? Unit sale, we replace this here. Which region has the highest unit sale? As you can see, oh, sum of total sales, sorry. Units sold, not sum of total. Sum of units sold. As you can see, it's not displaying on this chart, but it's here. But it's too small because the values are small. It's too small. So we remove this sum of total sales, and we have it. Our total sum of units sold. The question was, which region has the highest unit sale? So among these 5 regions, the one with the highest unit sale is Lagos with a 26. If you check the table as well, you will see Lagos has the highest with a 26 units sold. And then for the last question, which salesperson has the most sale? And now we don't need region. We can remove the region, or we leave it, but it might affect our graph. But let's see. salesperson. Which salesperson has the most sale? Like I said, it will affect the presentation of our graph. As you can see, it's complicated and hard to read and understand. So we remove the region since we are not using it. We remove field. You click on this drop down arrow, go to remove field to remove the field from the box, and then we have our salesperson. And this is the sum of units sold, but we are not looking for sum of units sold. We are looking for has the most sales. Who sold the most? Now there are two ways to find out who sold the most. According to sum of units sold, Ade sold the most units. Now, but in total sales, if you remove this from the field and put total sales, you can see that Bola definitely has the most. So it's complicated. With this, you can present to both parties that even though Ade sold the most units, Bola made the most money. So both of them had the most sales, depending on what the most sales you are looking for. If it's most sales of units, most units sold, then it goes to Ade. But if it's sum of total sales, total overall sales, it goes to Bola because Bola has the highest total sales. And basically we have answered the three questions using pivot chart. You can play around with this field. We can also find out some other things like which product did a salesperson sell the most. The product that a salesperson sell the most for okay, let me replace this product, remove field, put salesperson first, and then product second. Now you can see clearly that the graph represents Ade sold more phones than anybody. Bola following next. Then Chinedu, Damiola, Efe, the rest of them. These are the most things they sold. For Ade, the most he sold was a phone. For Bola, the most she also sold was a phone. For Chinedu, the same thing. For Damiola, the same thing. Okay, for Damiola, it's laptop that he sold the most, and for Efe is laptop as well. As you can see, with this you can play around with the pivot chart, create graphical representation, and explain data easier and visually to clients and users. And that is all for this video. In the next video, we'll be exploring the lookup function. Ernest out.